I have the ideas about the grammar and the vocab, but when it's come to speak, I just fumble and scared because I don't have that kind of confidence. Whenever I have the time, I try to spend on English. I usually watch English movies and web series and try to read some newspaper articles.
Knowing grammar is also necessary, but you cannot say a person who is well versed in grammar, they do not commit mistake. If you are out of practice or if you are not practice consistently, then it is must obvious that you are going to make mistakes.
It is really necessary to have like at least one or two friends, because with them I like we can share like our emotions, feelings, and what we are feeling, and what is bad sorry, what is bad for us and what is good, so we can like easily share with them.
Yes, you should have one or two friends such that who's very close to you, with whom you can hang out, you can talk very personal things, and whenever you are, because you cannot talk each and everything with your family members. There are something which you can discuss with your friends only, and you get very much relaxation.
My name is Kiran Swalka. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. It is quite famous in northern part. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done MBA, and right now I'm working professional. And it's been around 7 years since I'm working, and I'm working for a private company where I base as a project manager. And being a project manager, I handle the team and manage their weekly ops, leaves, and workload. So that's all about me. And currently, I started YouTube channel, so where I upload videos on my YouTube channel. So I just started it before 1 month ago, and it's been around 1 month and 15 days since I'm continuously uploading videos, and I love to connect with the strangers people, and I just want to learn from them. So these all the things actually about myself. So could you please like tell me about yourself as well?
Yes, why not? My name is Vibha. I live in Faridabad, Haryana. I'm married. I have two kids. I have also done job, but now being at home, I'm running my YouTube channel for the past 1.5 year just to enhance my communication skills. And yes, earlier I used to post solo content related to vocabulary, idioms, phrases, but now along with that, I have started posting conversational videos as well, just to improve my verbal communication. So that's how I'm learning also a lot from my journey, and I'm enjoying it a lot.
Yeah, that is great, really. And so, what kind of job like you were in? What kind of job?
I was in teaching field earlier.
Okay, you were in teaching field. So, what subjects do you taught to your student? It was English or something
Yes,
other.
English was one of the main subjects, and earlier I was taking all subjects, but later on I started taking English and science to primary students only.
Okay, only primary students.
Yes.
So you just go to the school to taught your student, or they come at your home. Like
No, no,
there
no.
are.
No. I used to teach in a school.
Okay, that is great. So you have already experience in teaching field. That is why, of course, you have a great communication skills, because having a communication skills, it is really impact, like since you are in the school, and you are in like a teacher. That is why you have a great communication skill.
Yes, thank you very much. But just due to my just because I was into teaching field, I developed this interest of English because in schools, it is mandatory. Whether you take the smallest school, it is mandatory that you have to speak in English only. That gives a very good impact of the school also, because principal always expect from you to be in English, whether you are communicating with any parent or teacher or to principal itself. So I think from that time this passion has aroused, and it is still now, it has been increasing day by day. So that was the reason I started thinking, to improve my English through this journey. And you won't believe, I have improved a lot of confidence, because there was so many years that I was at home and I lost my confidence at all. I had developed fear as well as. So I think that was the best part. People who are at home and they have lost their confidence, handling their family and all, this is the best way to regain your confidence and, to come out with great confidence and to get rid of your fear. So that's what I have experienced, and I have been improving in every way. So, and by posting, by communicating with variety of people, I'm exploring a lot.
Yeah, exactly, and I can understand since you are a homemaker and you have two you have two kids, so managing the things. So I can really understand. Like I'm also living in the a big family where like my mother and my sister, or they're always busy in the family stuff, like in a kitchen stuff or something like that, and they never ever get the chance to connect with the people. So I think this is the very good idea. Like since
Yes.
you started YouTube channel and you connect with different diverse people, so it is really better for you. Like since you are homemaker, so it is really going to be help you, right?
Yes. And I just want to know, like, thinking what you have started this channel, like, just for your job point of view, you want to improve your English, or is it your passion, or what?
No, actually, earlier, as you have mentioned, English has become like a worldwide language, and nowadays in India, people usually give more importance whoever have the English communication skill. Since I am working professional, so earlier, whenever I go for the interview, so I just feel nervousness while talking with the interviewers, and at that time I just got like fail. Like I felt many time like this what if I'm not able to connect and convey my message to interview, then this is going to be uh, really difficult for me. That is why I started learning this language, and it has become really necessary for me at that time. And yeah, as well, I explore on Google and YouTube and connect with the many people. I learn from many videos by different kind of creators, but after some time I got the some kind of confidence. I learned the grammar, I learned the vocab, but this was not help me. But because I have the ideas about the grammar and the vocab, but when it's come to speak, I just fumble and scared because I don't have that kind of confidence. So that is why I started this journey, and I give some time. Whenever I have the time, I try to spend on English. I usually watch English movies and web series, and try to read some newspaper articles. So that is why I started this journey, because of my working professional, and this is really helped me after I'm not too much fluent right now also, but yeah, I can say like I'm the person who is intermediate level, and I can understand the interviewers, and I can also convey my message to him. So this is really helpful for me to knowing the English language.
Yes, yes, right, very much right. And what I feel like, knowing grammar is also necessary, but you cannot say a person who is well versed in grammar, they do not commit mistake. If you are out of practice, or if you are not practice consistently, then it is must obvious that you are going to make mistakes. I can give you my example. It happens with me many times. Like whenever I am speaking and I'm out of touch, like I'm not practicing daily, and all of a sudden I have started talking to someone, I make so many mistakes knowing that I am making mistake, this is wrong. But in a flow of conversation, if you are out of practice and you start speaking, you make so many mistakes. So I think practice is everything that makes you well versed in any language or any skill. So
Yeah.
I think before going into grammar, grammar part is also necessary. Knowing vocabulary and other parts are very necessary. But along with that, daily practice is required. Only then you can use correct grammar or new vocabulary words, idiom, phrases, fancy words. Then it is possible only. And somewhere I feel like it's been 1.5 year. So I feel I have got addicted, talking to people and making videos. It has become a part of my life now. Whenever I do not get time to make videos, so I feel like I'm missing something. So now I feel like I'm truly enjoying my journey.
Yeah, because you are passionate to learn this language. That is why, because like there should be some kind of passion to get to become excellent in any kind of skill or even in language. So you have passion to learn this language. That is why like you are consistent to learn this language, and you try to improve day by day. And yeah, I can see like you have a very good command, like you have good communication skill, and even you are in fluent and don't making any kind of grammar mistake as well. So yeah, it is really necessary to like a consistent with any kind of work. So it is really going to be support you or help you in your daily like communication life, right?
Yes, 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 very much right. Okay, so tell me your happiest moment. What makes you so happy? Doing what activity or anything which makes you the happiest person at that
Yeah,
time?
so well, there are a lot of things which I really enjoy, but I would say like sitting at home and watching movie along with family members. So this is really going to be make myself happy, because at that time I can enjoy a movie with my family members. And yeah, many times like whenever I go for a visit along with my friends and family members. So at that time, I feel too much happiness. So these are the things when I really feel the happiness.
Okay, so tell me, in your weekends, do you like to be at home or hanging out with your friends?
To be honest, actually, whenever I have weekend plan, so I usually try to make a trip along with my friends. But since I'm working professional and usually I don't have time, so in the week time I try to spend a lot of time along with my family and some time along with my friend, because it is really necessary to spend time with friends and family members. Yeah, family members, we can learn many things from them, and we can spend our valuable time with them. But along with that, like friends also important part of my life.
Yes, yes. Friends are some means I'm not saying that you have so many friends, but at least you should have one or two friends such that who's very close to you, with whom you can hang out, you can talk very personal things, and whenever you are, because you cannot talk each and everything with your family members. There's something which you can discuss with your friends only, and you get very much relaxation when you are going through some emotional problems or any kind of tension or your happiest moments. So at that time you have your friend with whom you can discuss each and every type of talks very comfortable. So I
Exactly.
think in your life you must have few kind of friends like this.
Right, 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 right. Yeah, it
Yes.
is really necessary to have like at least one or two friends, because with them I like we can share like our emotions, feelings, and what we are feeling, and what is bad. Sorry, what is bad for us and what is good. So we can like easily share with them.
Yes, and I can resonate very well with you. Like in my teaching days, when Friday would come, I used to be the happiest person because I knew that Saturday, Sunday is going to be off and we are totally free. We can do whatever we want to do. So I think Monday
Right.
is the hectic day, and coming by Friday, it becomes the best day. I feel like
Right.
I can
Right.
feel
Right.
the feeling when whole week a person does work, and after Friday, you get so much of relaxation. Now 2 days no work, only relaxation, rest, enjoying with family.
Right, right.
But
So, actually, I would like to know, like, since it's been around 1.5 year, you are on YouTube channel. So, like, what do you feel like? It is growing up, or it is increasing, or uh, like what kind of changes do you feel after like having a social media platform and connect with the different kind of people, diverse people? So what do you feel like it is really improve your communication skill or like your day-to-day life?
like I have started posting conversational videos few months before that I was posting only solo content. So it's been
Okay.
only 3 months, and I'm not very much regular posting because I do not get many people to converse with. So it gets hard to converse with people on regular basis and post videos. But whosoever I met with, I have got a great experience. I have got a lot of motivation, you can say, because there are so many people inspire like you. I have got motivation from you as well. You are working, and after that, you are running your YouTube channel also, because it's not like that you have conversed and you have posted. There are so many things. You have to make thumbnail also, you have to do editing also, what not we have to do. It's not like that we have conversed and done. So I think every time I get so much motivated talking to different kind of people, because every people is going through some kind of minute problems in their life, and many times we think only we are surrounded with so many problems, but it's not like this. Everybody has some kind of happiness also, problems also. So we must learn from people, and we must make ourselves motivated every time. Because I met a lady, she was quite old, she was nearly around her 55 years of age, and she teach in a school to kindergarten children, small children, and her children are grown up. One is of 25 years old and girl is 20 years old, and still she has that passion to. She was unable to speak proper English, but still at this age also she was trying very hard to speak good English. Because I feel like age is no bar. If you have that passion, you can learn at any age, and even after having so many responsibilities. She she was not means she was not looking very much physically fit. Even still she was trying very hard, because she told, I was studied in Hindi medium school, and ever since I had that passion, and I never got chance to learn this language. But now I'm little free from my kids, so I'm trying to develop this interest. I'm trying to develop, to fulfill my desire through this channel. So she has also opened her channel, and even after having so much of workload, she is also handling her YouTube channel. So I feel so motivated knowing different kind of works of people. So I think it's great. I'm so blessed that it's a best work from my side that I have opened this channel, because I am daily learning a lot from people whenever I talk to.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, there are a lot of people who have different mindset and who have like a different experience. So when we get to know about their experience and their life, so we learn many things from them, right?